the countdown to May 12 intensifies, the final batches of ballots are now being dispatched across Metro Manila. With just 6 days to go, the COMELEC ensures everything is on track, save for a twist in Laguna as 3 men posing as election officials are arrested for trying to tamper with sensitive election materials. Luisa Erispe has the full report.
Before 8 in the morning, the Commission on Elections started pulling out ballots from the National Printing Office. This is the last batch of ballots to be deployed for the 2025 midterm elections and is bound to be distributed in Metro Manila.
Kung sinisigurado ng komisyon na maaga ang distribution at may ilang araw pa bago pa mag-eleksyon na naandyan na yung mga balota, naka-standby para lang masigurado na protektado, secure yung mga balota po natin. So,
this last batch consists of 7.5 million ballots in total. For today, these will be deployed in Caloocan, Marikina, Pasig, Valenzuela, among others. And for tomorrow, it is headed to reach Muntinlupa, Taguig, Pateros, and all the remaining cities in NCR. According to the COMELEC, this only means they are on track and on schedule in its deployment timetable of all election paraphernalia.
Wala pong untoward incident, wala po tayong naging problema sa deployment, hindi lamang ng mga balota kung hindi ng iba pang election paraphernalia, katulad ng mga ACM, mga baterya at iba pang gamit.
With just 6 days before the elections, the poll body is almost done with its preparations. The only thing remaining is final testing and sealing, which has been extended until May 8, and the enrollment of the overseas voting and counting system, which was also extended to May 10.
6 days away, kung napansin nyo, hindi ganon kabigat na yung mga natitira nating mga paghahanda. Ito, monitoring na lang, supervision, and then reporting na lang more or less ang hinihintay natin doon sa mga nagawa na natin.
While preparations are in place, COMELEC vows it will be after the perpetrators during elections. As a matter of fact, the police in Santa Cruz, Laguna arrested 3 men who allegedly presented themselves as employees of the Commission under Task Force Contra Bigay. They were trying to inspect the automated counting machines.
Ginagawa nila doon sa lugar mismo kung saan nakaimbak sa Santa Cruz, Laguna, yung mga machine. Anong purpose nila doon? At hindi po kami papayag na basta-basta ganyan na lang. Ganong may mga nababalita na nagbebenta sa buong bansa ng mga nakaya daw nila allegedly nagawa ng paraan ang ating eleksyon. Pwede nilang ipanalo basta magbabayad ng milyon na piso.
The COMELEC assures to dig deeper on the incident and is all set to file charges against the 3 men in police custody. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.